Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we are discussing about the do's and don'ts of driving an automatic transmission car. Ever wondered what those letters on your automatic transmission gear lever mean? Let's break it down for you in this quick video. P. Park locks the transmission and prevents the wheels from turning. R. Reverse allows you to move the car backwards. N. Neutral disengages the transmission from the wheels. D. Drive allows the car to move forward. S. Sport adjusts the transmission for more performance-oriented driving. Understanding these letters on your gear lever can help you operate your automatic transmission car more effectively and efficiently. Automatic transmission cars are a breeze to drive, no need to worry about shifting gears. Simply put the car in drive mode, release the brake, and gently press the accelerator to start moving. Remember to always keep your foot on the brake when shifting from park to drive or reverse. When coming to a stop, just ease off the accelerator and the car will slow down on its own. To reverse, shift the gear into R and use the rear view camera to guide you. Practice makes perfect, so take your time getting used to the feel of the car and its responsiveness. And always remember to obey traffic laws and drive safely at all times. Let's dive in and explore 5 things you should never do behind the wheel. Automatic transmission cars are becoming increasingly popular due to their ease of use and convenience. Unlike manual transmission cars, automatic cars do not require the driver to manually shift gears. To drive an automatic transmission car, simply put the car in drive mode and press the gas pedal. Automatic transmission cars make driving easier for many people. You don't have to worry about shifting gears, the car does it for you. This can be especially helpful in heavy traffic or on long road trips. There are different types of automatic transmissions, including CVT, DCT, and traditional automatic. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Overall, automatic transmission cars are a popular choice for their convenience and ease of use. 1. Never shift from drive to reverse or park while the car is still in motion. This can damage the transmission and cause costly repairs. 2. Avoid resting your foot on the brake pedal while driving. This can lead to overheating and premature wear on the brakes. 3. Don't ignore unusual noises or vibrations coming from the transmission. These could be warning signs of a potential issue that needs to be addressed. 4. Refrain from coasting downhill in neutral. This can reduce your control over the vehicle and put you at risk of losing traction. 5. Lastly, never ignore the maintenance schedule for your automatic transmission car. Regular servicing is key to keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. Stop sign by steering clear of these common mistakes, you can ensure a safer and more reliable driving experience in your automatic transmission car. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.